November 16th, 2017. We're here doing Gold Rush Football Jersey Random Division Break number 1. We're going to roll the dice here, see how many times we're going to randomize the division, the roster, pair everyone up, and then bust this open. Best of luck to everyone for the dice roll. We only re-roll snake eyes. Good luck. Going 4. 31 hopping. Alright, we got Darren for 1. GB Fan LA for 1. For 2. D Perky Pile 09 for 1. Pinza 9191 AOT. Little Nicky's father for 1. Roby Riddell and Little Nicky's father. 1 second here. I just wanted to make sure I grabbed the right roster. Sorry. Alright, good luck, guys. Going 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final time. Little Nicky's father on the top. Pins on the bottom. The divisions. AFC and NFC East, AFC and NFC North, AFC and NFC South, AFC and NFC West. Going 4 times, good luck. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final time. NFC East on the top, AFC East on the bottom. There you go. Any trades? Any trades? NFC East, Little Nicky's father. NFC West, GB Fan LA. NFC South, Darren. NFC North, Little Nicky's father. AFC East, D Perky Pile. AFC South, GB Fan LA. AFC North, Roby Riddell. And the AFC East, Pinza 9191 AOT. Good luck, guys. You got the NFC East. Any trades? Alright, good luck, guys. Let's see what we got. This is the first Gold Rush football jersey that we are breaking. Oh yeah, you got your Rams. Let's see what we got. Oh, very nice. Well, nice to me. I'm a fan. Who's got the North? NFC North. Little Nicky's father. Chicago Bears, Gale Sayers. Gale Sayers. W767249. Gale Sayers. This is a custom jersey. Going out to the Chicago Bears in the NFC North and Little Nicky's father. Yeah, it's a custom replica. Here's a JSA certification. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Congrats. Little Nicky's father taking home the Gale Sayers. Alright, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.